Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name of Chen Elizabeth. I've come to present to you on how to open a Google form and how to organize it. So you come to this start window, then you look for the Google form from here, which is this one, then you click on it. So when you click on it, the new tab will open, which is the Google form you are seeing here. Then afterwards you can see the blank form, contact information, revise, all the types of form that you want to create. So you can also see other gallery templates that you want to create, find a time. These are party invite. There are different kind of forms that you can create. So for example, for us we want to party invite, then you click on it and open a party invite form. So you can see this is the party invite form, how it appears. So you continue downwards here as you be putting the questions. You can see how the form appears. So these are the questions that they can ask. How many of you are attending? These are the questions you can be asking people about the party. And then you can also see the responses of people from here, from this sheet, but no one else has responded. Like, let me respond. Let me see my name is Liz. You can also have short answers here. You can see you can have short answers that you can put, check boxes like that. And then from here you can add question. You can see I'm adding another question. For example, age. Put your age here. Age. Then you can say you look for short answers. Drop down and put drop down 1. You can put maybe boxes. You can see you can tick here or not. So you can even type it. And when you click on this one, means you require people to answer. But if you close it like this, means you don't want people to answer. So you can say, can you attend the party? The person will say yes, yes, sorry, maybe that. And then you can make it what option. So those you can add more question again. Come here. Why are you attending? You can bold your work. You can make it in italic way. You can make it, you underline it. You can share this, insert any link from anywhere that you have got it, then you place it there and you want people to see it. But there is no link so far. So you can also copy, duplicate the question, duplicate the same question here. And see, and then you can require the answer, and you can paragraph it the way you want. You can put it in short form answers. And then this one here, short questions, you can select questions from the recent one. You can come to your drive, then you search for questions which were already there, and then you can share with you. You can share with any email that is in the list. You can look for the emails, then you share with them. And then we also have this. You can add title descriptions, like we say that there we have Freshers Ball. You can even delete it and see the question has been deleted. You can also insert photos. You can insert it from the webcam, you can from your photo, from the Google Drive, from Google Image. You can pick it from anywhere, Google Drive, and pick photos from here. Let me see, I'm going to pick some photo from Google Drive, like this one here. Then I upload it and put it there. See the photos here, then you say Party Plus. So you can copy it, you duplicate the question. Then you can also get videos from YouTube. You search for any video from YouTube, then you add to your form. And then also you can add sections. If you want to add a section under something that you've already created, you can also add that section. Then these are the options of customizing your themes. You can preview your work, undo it, you can redo, you can copy respondents link. You copy respondents link, then you can share your work to people you want to share to, and share it to, this is the owner of the work. Then you can publish it, publish form to accept response. You can edit it, you can responders view, anyone can view. You can share it to the link, anyone can view, or you remove the link, or you restrict the link. There are very many things you can do on your forms. Then you can publish your link also, and publish it so that people can, you manage your responses. Manage your responses. After what you say you're done, then you can now what? Publish it. Then in this icon, you can see you make a copy for yourself. You can move it to the dustbin, and then you print it if you want to print the form. So thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow for more.